June 29th, 2010. You wire $1 million into one single stock, a company that had never made a profit, a car brand almost nobody had heard of, a CEO who people said was completely insane. Your family thinks you've lost your mind. Your banker tries to talk you out of it. Your friends laugh. In the next 16 years, there's two options. Either you're going to be in the top 5 richest men in the world, or just someone who loses everything, his money, family, job, and returns to zero. 2010, the craziest bet in history. Tesla just went public on the NASDAQ. The IPO price? $17 per share. With your $1 million, you buy 58,823 shares, every single one. Now, here's what nobody tells you about that day. The stock drops the very next week. Within 1 month, your $1 million is already down to $870,000. You've lost $130,000 in 30 days. And the news? They are brutal. Tesla has never turned a profit. The company is on life support. Electric cars are a gimmick. Your finger hovers over the sell button. You don't press it.
2012-2013. You look like a genius. Then, something shifts. 2012. Elon Musk unveils the Model S. Not just a car, an event, a statement. Tesla reports its first ever profitable quarter. Wall Street loses its mind. Your $870,000? Now worth $4 million. And then 2013 happens. Tesla stock explodes, plus 344% in a single year. The single best performing stock on the entire S&P 500. Your $1 million is now $9 million. You're not a crazy person anymore. You're a visionary. But here's the thing about visionaries. The story is never that clean.
2017-2019. Production hell. 2017. The Model 3 was supposed to change everything. 500,000 pre-orders. The most anticipated car in history. And then, chaos. Elon sleeps on the factory floor. Production targets missed again and again. Analysts scream sell. Short sellers bet $10 billion against Tesla, the most shorted stock in history. Then, on August 7th, 2018, Elon tweets, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420, funding secured." He didn't have funding. The SEC sues him. Elon almost loses control of his own company. The stock crashes, then bounces, then crashes again. By 2019, after all the drama, your investment is worth $17 million. You're still up massively from 2010, but you've watched it swing between $8 million and $20 million for 3 years. Could you hold through that? Most people couldn't. March 2020. COVID hits the entire world. Markets crash. Tesla crashes into them. In 17 days, you watch your investment fall from $17 million to $11 million. Your phone is ringing. Your broker, your family. Now do you sell? Now will you finally sell? You don't. And what happens next is one of the most insane moments in stock market history. 2020, the year that changed everything. 2020. Tesla stock doesn't just recover. It goes absolutely nuclear. In one single year, the stock gains plus 743%. In August, Tesla does a 5-for-1 stock split. You now own 294,115 shares. In December, Tesla was added to the S&P 500, the most important stock index in America. Every fund in the world has to buy it. Your $1 million, invested in 2010, at the end of 2020, it's worth $147 million. $147 million from one decision 10 years earlier. when everyone called you insane.
The peak and the pain. 2021, 2022. 2021. It gets even better. Tesla hits a new all-time high. Elon Musk becomes the richest person in human history. Your investment peaks at $250 million, $250 million. And then, 2022 happens. Rising interest rates. Elon buys Twitter, controversially, chaotically. Tesla stock falls 65% in 1 year. The single worst annual performance in Tesla's history. Your $250 million becomes $77 million. You just lost $173 million on paper in 12 months. But here's the question. Did you really lose anything? You invested $1 million. You now have $77 million. That's still a 77x return. The people who sold at the peak in 2021, they're kicking themselves now.
The comeback, 2023 to 2026. 2023, recovery begins. 2024, turbulence, but the business keeps growing. December 2025, Tesla hits a brand new all-time high, $489 per share. Your investment touches $306 million. May 2026, today, Tesla trades at $417 per share. Your $1 million invested on June 29, 2010, $262 million. $262 million. A 262x return in 16 years. Payoff. Most investors never touch a return like this in a lifetime. But here's what this story is actually about. It's not about Tesla. It's not about Elon Musk. It's about holding through the moments when everyone tells you to sell. The 2012 doubters, the 2019 short sellers, the 2020 panic, the 2022 bloodbath. Every single time, the answer was the same. Hold. What would you have done? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to see what happens when you invest $1 million in Amazon, Apple, or Bitcoin in 2010, subscribe, because that series is coming. I'll see you in the next one.